welcome back to the channel. On today's e-bike adventure, we're here around Brea area. There's 7 of us. We started in Brea Sports Complex, and we're just doing a holiday Christmas ride. End the night with some holiday lights. Let's get it. I just love parks that have bike trails, bike lanes, you know? That's what makes e-biking fun. I just hope no one really ruins it for everyone, right? A little bit of off-road here. Okay, little restroom break, okay? Give me like 2 minutes. Alright, one of our stops, Craig Regional Park. There used to be no fees for e-bikes. I think we should be okay. Hello. Electric bikes are okay, right?
Yes.
Have a good one. Happy holidays. As long as we don't go on the sidewalks like idiots, we're just gonna enjoy the water here. A little bit of a break. We're gonna find a nice spot by the water and do a little bit break here. It's getting chilly. Here's like their handball and volleyball courts here. It's empty today, and it's a Sunday afternoon. But that's because it's freezing. So it's a little bit of uphill off-roading, so gear accordingly, okay? It's not too bad. There's just sometimes logs. Veer right or left to get around them. Off-roading time. Getting our bikes dirty. And here's actually why I don't like the Onyx suit. It doesn't really shine on roads like this. Oh, there's a log. There's another log. There's another log. Wee. Alright, where's everyone at? Now we're going up a few restaurants, passing the golf course. Yeah, hopefully that's still open. Get a good look of Fullerton area. Make sure everyone's following along. Yep, everyone's good. All 7 of us. Let's see if my little gate is open. And it is. My little gate is open. Watch this dip here. And it's go time. Rocky, gravelly uphill with the sun in my face. Can't really see. And just watch for golf carts. Sometimes you'll see golf carts and equestrian horses right about here. They got that spot, so we'll take up maybe this biking spot here. Hello. All right, break spot. It's supposed to be a 360 view. There's a nice trail that goes down there and kind of parameter the golf course. A little gravelly, but it's fun downhill. Spent about 5 minutes here. Now we're gonna hit up Cal State Fullerton College. There's a parking structure there that I also like to climb up on. Just like that. We're in Cal State Fullerton. Taking the sightseeing way. Hopefully this bike path is open. It used to be... It was closed at one point, but we're cutting through. Cutting through the field. A baseball field. I'm gonna pedal, because that's what you do when you're cold. I'm cutting through college. I don't care what anyone say. Nowhere does it say here that you can't e-bike. Until I see a sign that you can't e-bike here. I think that's what the sign says. Skateboards and hoverboards are prohibited. We're not skateboards or hoverboards. Yeah, we're gonna go up this parking structure. Because why not? Uh-oh. Turn on my headlights. Alright, let him finish it. Let's roll. Get to the sun. It's always nice to have a empty parking structure for sure. This is what LA Eastgate does in the Long Beach Cruise Ride, so we're basically just following their formula. Alright. Break. Break time.
What?
Did you do your wheelies already?
No, I braked in my other bike.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Regular bike.
Yeah, it's so expensive to try with this bike, right? Oh, perfect. Yeah. Alright guys, have lights on. We're rolling. Rolling out of here. Getting out of the parking structure. That's the only reason why we haven't been really pavement biking. It's been so freezing this winter.
A few moments later.
Here we go. We're in Brea, Eagle Hills, Christmas entrance. Yeah. I'm just glad that they're open already because it's not 6 p.m. yet. Oh yeah. We're e-biking this. Santa's route. Oh yeah. They started early, that's cool. Because I'm getting hungry. This is pretty much the final stop. And we're just gonna, enjoy the scenery. I wonder if they do like a voting competition winner. Maybe. I don't know. Like, how do they stay motivated, Oh, that's nice. Definitely use their trees there. Merry Christmas. They typically say it starts at 6 p.m. It's only 5:30 right now. But it's dark enough that they turn on their lights. Go ahead, Kevin. Where's the other guy? Alright. That's the whole group. 7 total. We're the only ones biking. I wish there were more drive-through events for bikes. I look at all the drive-through events and they never allow bikes. That would be really cool if they did. Or electric bike for that matter. Fun. Hello. Where's the real decked out homes where it's like flashing, synchronizing lights, Do they have any of those here? Oh, let me turn on my lights actually. There you go. I now have red underlights. Who's got music? Kevin, you got music? I think we need a little Christmas music going on. Alright, just a quick look. That's what the bike looks like. Flashing red lights. All the little kids are saying hi. They're riding their bikes. Look, Ma. I'm surprised they don't really have music, huh? If you're gonna do lights, you might as well put sounds. How nice. If I had a big house like this and kids that will do the labor work of installing lights, I would help out. But if it's just me doing all the work, nah. Not really interested. Brea Eagle Hills Christmas lights. It's a mouthful. That's why I keep forgetting.
This is the city of Brea.
Yeah. Yeah. Every year we try to do something like this during the holidays.
Got me to that one in Altadena I was telling you about.
Yeah, I'll check that one out.
Yeah.
There's a lot that's called Candy Lane. Like there's one in Woodland Hills. There's one in by the airport, El Segundo.
What's it called?
There's a lot of them called the same Candy Lane,
Oh, okay.
but just in different cities.
Right.
If we feel like, we've seen everything, then we'll get out. But yeah, this is new. I concur.
Everybody.
You think so?
Some.
I'm surprised there's no music. I mean, wouldn't it be cool if they had music?
Yeah.
Thank you. Minion. The bikes. What's going on here? Is this a fun activity? Oh, they're just running around the driveway. Cutting through.
My phone mount comes in December 20th.
You barely got a bike phone mount?
Yeah.
You've been biking for what, like over 2 years or something?
Oh, yeah.
Guess if you don't need it, you don't need it. If I can, I'd rather have my phone in my backpack. Because, you just can't trust the phone mount enough, I mean, especially for we're mountain biking.
Yeah. Oh, for mountain biking, yeah.
It's like I'd rather have it in my backpack.
Yeah, that's true. But like what we're doing right now,
Oh, yeah.
for mountain.
That's pretty much where we are. We're pretty much back. All right, folks. That's going to be today's e-bike adventure. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on an e-bike. See you guys in the next adventure. Peace.